Before we start, I know a lot of people are asking for a mobile tutorial, and don't worry, it's coming soon. Now, let's get into the video. Today, I am going to make a 5-minute edit, a 1-hour edit, and a 5-hour edit. And at the end, we will compare them. First, let's start with the 5-minute edit. In 5 minutes, I can't really do much. I start by importing the audio and cutting out the part I like. Then, after that, I make the beats and cut the video as fast as I can. By the time I'm done cutting, I only have 40 seconds left, so I look for a transition and choose this one. Then I put it at every beat drop. Finally, I add motion blur, and my time is up. Here is the finished edit. That edit wasn't very good, but now moving on to the 1-hour edit. Now I will have more time for different effects. I start by cutting the clips to the beat of the music. Then I get started on the car slams. I remove the background of the overlay, and then keyframe it and use speed ramps. To finish the car slams, I add an aura effect and repeat. I also add a zoom 1 animation to all the other clips to add more movement. By the time I'm done, I have 15 minutes left, so I add some more effects. I start by creating a spinner effect around the car headlights, and I experiment with other effects, but not much works. Now I only have 1 minute left, so I add my watermark and add motion blur, and then I'm done. Here is the finished edit. That edit was pretty good, but now on to the 5-hour edit. I am not going to record it all because 5 hours is too much footage for this video, but I will explain it a bit. I made it like the last edit, but added way more effects and stretched the video. I added a ton of overlays here and use a lot of shake and astral effects. In the end, this is how the 5-hour edit turned out. Now, in comparison, of course the 5-hour edit is the best, but I also think the 1-hour turned out very good for only 1 hour. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the mobile tutorial.